How to add a YouTube link to TikTok bio. Hello guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your TikTok. Now tap on the profile icon. Now go to edit profile. Now most of the people copy their YouTube channel link and add them to their bio. So as you can see, when I go to my profile and tap on the YouTube link, this doesn't open up. So to add a YouTube link, again go to edit profile and tap on add YouTube. Now choose your account and tap on allow. So by following this simple step, you can add a clickable link to TikTok bio. Thank you for watching our tutorial. I hope you liked our content.